Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to come on subject before I want to discuss you right now our dashboard, that is our Indian market. After this clarification I will come on my subject. First of all I want to say you we are every day we are making new and new milestone for our Indian economy. So many reasons and conditions are there that we have to discuss later in our video. First of all I want to discuss you at present our Sensex are running on 58,851, that is plus 128 point. After that I comes on Nifty is right now 17,543 plus 24 point, and I again come on today's main, that is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty are very rapidly moved today, that is 502 point. Still I hope a Bank Nifty will also move from here, that is 37,346 point up 502 point. If you remember, before last 2 days continue I had remind you that I am very bullish on service sector, that is bank is a first number one service provider. On that base last 2 to 3 days I had tell you that in Bank Nifty will be anytime shoot up, and today I want to just remind you just see how they are churning, how they are shifting one sector to another, how they are playing game with Sensex, Nifty and Bank Nifty. That if we are regularly touch with the market, so we all citizens, those they are involved in investor and market, they must be know what is the strategy adopted by FII and DII. The main portion of FII, that is more than 75% FII, 75 to 80% hold of FII on our market. If I am saying 100% control, there is no doubt at all, because they have very strong grip on our Indian market. So then I want to just say you, today's Nikkei are not support Indian market, even though our Indian market are moving new milestone. Today Nikkei are down 207 point, that is they are also still up 13 years high, that is 30,304. If I am talking yesterday's Dow Jones, that is comes on 237 point plus, that is 34,814. If I had talking on Nasdaq, then Nasdaq is also up 124, that is 15,161. Right now I am coming on my subject. This is the background of the Indian and the world market now. Pardon, may I request you, please you look my dashboard and small board. I had mentioned particularly two matter, that is India right now a very bullish compared to China. On that base we have to discuss very deeply. I had just early in the morning watch live video by China economy weaken as consumers are consumers are worried by Jane Cheng. He is a China's economics. Barley's Asia Pacific chief China economics. Therefore, world focus on New India now. Why right now India is day by day making new milestone? Because right now since last 15 days and today still China is slow down. I accept it, China is slow down, but I also remind you China is slow down, but it's a temporary. He is not out of the wood, he is not out of the market, my dear, because China is anytime turn around. They are very, very intelligent, they are very prompt taking action by government. I had mentioned Indian economy strong points are here. China economy weaken as consumer are worried. In right side I had mentioned, but we also know China slow down for short time and not out of market. Anytime rebound China economy, be careful. That I also remind you, my dear. Why I am reminding this 2 times? Because it's a very, very important for our Indian market. May I tell you why Indian market are moving higher and higher every day? Because so many symptoms, so many signals are there. If you are reading regularly since last 2 months, our GDP has continually about 24% record breaking, and this time the RBI is also, and so many other agencies are also about 10% right now, our Indian GDP. Further, our electric consumption, power consumption is also continue last 3 months, continue rise. It is also a signal of our industries, factories, and economy are moving higher and higher and higher. Third is the bank also consider they are very rapidly lending to MSME and SME, because government are also want to move both, that is SME or MSME, because their two sector are, their two factories, their two main portion are very rapidly growing job creation, which government are require as early as possible, because due to UP election are also near to central government. On that base there are so many different type of policy, so many good news are released. If you are remember, before yesterday our honorable Prime Minister also declared so many policies, so many support, and also I tell you PLI schemes and so many support by crores of rupees by our automobiles and agriculture, software. Further I want to say you that is, I remember chip and semiconductor sector also get benefit from the Indian government. On that base I want to say you, please, our Indian market are right now very bullish. I don't hope there are some chances are profit taking, but not a sell off continues, because FII are very solid grip on our Indian market, and day by day. Further I want to add you here, my dear, UK and France and Gulf countries are also more and more focused on our Indian economy. Therefore the chances are very low, profit taking chances are yet, but I am not think market will be very sharply down from here, because so many big guys are focused and ready to invest in our Indian country. On that base I want to tell you, please you have to very carefully, because China is any time turn around, then maybe possible some chances are there and FII will rebound and come out money from our Indian market. At that time some I want to say you profit taking by the FII, but right now I am very positive on our Indian economy. So which sector, I want to tell you, my conclusion are here, which sector are move in this condition, where is the chances are go higher from here, because our market are every day are making new milestone. On that base very risky market right now. So which are the sector, which are the shares where we have very low chances of downturn, and I just put up my ratio is 70 to 30%. 30% are downturn, that is profit taking, and 70% are rise from also here. So may I just tell you, please may I request you note down, first of all metal sector, that is Hindalco, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Cell, etc. Second is specialty chemical, that is Tata Chemical. Tata Chemical is also a well known for hydrogen raw material, that is more and more useful for a right now demand by the world. Now they are focused from lithium battery to hydrogen battery. Therefore scrap policy and electric vehicle are very rapidly demand in this sector. Therefore Tata Chemical is very bullish, and he is also a specialty chemical. If our industries and factories are moving very rapidly, then particularly chemical will also shoot up. On that base Tata Chemical is also very bullish. Another sector is Linde India, that is carbon emission, greenhouse gases and pharma gases and environment control, such type of gases generated. Further I want to tell you, all items, that is Adani Group item are very positive right now. even though it is running higher, because which item are, I tell you, Adani Enterprise, Adani Green, Adani Distribution, Adani Port and Adani Power. These all are very positive for a head period. Further, I want to say you software sector, that is related with design, digitalization and AI related. Coforge, Tata Elxsi, Infosys, TCS and Emphasis. Such type of software company are also very bullish. I also, in end of my video, I want to add tube investment, that is premium product of bicycle maker. It is also very good for a long time. So may I request you understand what I want to say you. Further, I want to tell you, my dear, this market is very positive. Still, it's moving on top on the board, but we must be focused on stock specific sector and share, because anytime FI are very smart guys, they are anytime selling, basket selling, and we are grab under by FII. On that base, I want to say you have to decide step by step and some slab by buying, that is a long period. If you have extra money, then you have to buy right now for go long, at least 3 to 4 months. Therefore, we are support from FII profit taking at the time of we have hold and get maximum profit. If we are buying and getting immediate profit, then may I request you have to take immediate book your profit, because market are very higher and with very risky. On that base, I want to say you, please, you have to carefully trade market right now. In last, I want to just take permission from you. I want to close my video. May I request you and also put up my disclaimer, that is, this is my thought, my analysis. You have to take your decision by your expert. And further, may I request you, if you are coming on first time on my YouTube, then may I request you, before going or leave from my video, you must be, I request you, subscribe my channel, therefore, and also press bell icon. Therefore, we will be meet every time when I deliver a video, immediately you will be get my notification, and you and me, we come together and take maximum benefit from FII. In last, I want to say you Jai Hind. Thank you.